Hopefully I don't break it because this thing is made out of fiberglass, so. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we're going to be doing something very special. So if you guys didn't see my previous video, what we did do last time is we actually installed the TRD side skirts, which are still holding up really nicely. Do make sure to watch that video before you watch this one in case you haven't already. As you guys can see, we've got the front lip done, we've got the side skirt, so the only thing we're left with now is a TRD rear lip.
Mein Bruder, wer glaubt noch der Zeitung? Ich glaub ihm kein Wort, lese in der Presse, Medienhetze, geht zum Islam, kommen die Gauner so.
So yeah, there we have it guys. We've decided to go with the TRD rear lip again. It's the same brand and company that we chose for the TRD side skirts, and yeah, that's about it really. As you guys can see, it is fiberglass. You can see from the other side, it's not painted, but it is in this black gel coating, so it does look pretty similar to my color. And then obviously you got the nice exhaust housing, which is just so cool. It's massive, man.
And as the earth burns to the ground, oh girl, it's you.
Alright, so we do have our rear lip ready. And just so you guys know, so apparently the rear lip is pretty easy to install compared to the side skirts and the front. So obviously there's only 2 screws on the left and right. And on the car, on the rear, you will see that it's got this sort of plastic trim here, plastic cover, and there are 2 screws. There's one over there and one over there. So obviously firstly we do have to remove these so we can get rid of this plastic piece. We do have to get rid of that. Might have to tickle this wheel, but let's see. Right, so we've got the 2 screws out, but as you can see there's like these 2 plastic, I don't even know, basically it's where these things drill into here. So yeah, there's one more bolt that we do have to get rid of though, which I did not even know, but it's pretty much, it's literally just underneath here, so I'm just gonna get that off real quick. Alright, so that's this side done. We've got the plastic trim out. As you can see there's a bolt there, and there's also one on the bottom as well. So yeah, we're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side now. So now that we've done that, we can finally get on to fitting the TRD rear lip. Alright, so now it's going to be the hard bit. I'm going to have to try and align this by myself. I'm doing this by myself, so I'm going to try and wrap it around. Alright, so guys, we've got a rough fitment on at the moment. So there's good news and bad news. So obviously there's 2 bolts, right? The bottom one does fit into the factory hole, however the top one doesn't. As you guys can see, there's the factory one and there's the one that's on the kit. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna get a drill and basically do the same thing as to what I've done with the side skirts. I'm gonna have to drill into the rear bumper just so I can get a screw in, and obviously it'll be a bit more firm. I'm gonna have to remove the rear wheels. Oh, now we should be able to drill straight through, and because it is plastic, it should just go in without any issues. There we go. Alright, that's this side done. We can now put the wheel back and get onto the other side.
From Toronto to the sky, from London to Dubai. Uplift the people, let go of ego, open your eyes. Tunnel vision with the frame wide. To summon wisdom, gotta erase the pride. My heart cried, my eyes stayed dry. Kept it real from the jump, and I never changed sides. No, barely alive, just trying to survive.
There you guys have it. That is Is200 rear lip install. It looks absolutely amazing. It looks awesome. Obviously we got the side skirts installed as well. Let me just show you guys. We got the side skirts, and then obviously it connects up so nicely with the rear lip. But oh my god, from the back, oh my god, like it legit, the way it flares out slightly, I love it so much. It legit, it sort of gives the illusion that it's more wider than it is. I need to stop rambling, but yeah, that is it guys. That is how to install a rear lip on your IS200, but there is a part that I haven't done in this video, and that is because I can't be asked to do it right now. The weather right now is not too bad, but it is gonna rain soon, as you guys can probably tell. As you guys can probably see, there are quite large panel gaps around the whole lip, especially over here towards the exhaust. And I'm assuming because obviously it is fiberglass, not the original plastic, so obviously the fitment is not going to be perfect, but you can see the fitment. I mean, it's not too bad, but there are decently large panel gaps. I don't know if that's shown on camera, but you can literally see behind the lip, if that makes sense. But what people do tend to do, they put a bead of sealant along the edges, and then hopefully that should stick it on, I'm guessing. But I don't really know how it's going to work because these are quite massive, I can't lie. The panel gaps are quite large. But to be honest, like I told you guys with the side skirts, I'm not too fast because this is a drift car. I'm not really going for some perfect show car type of look. Obviously, if you guys do want it to look a bit better, just seal it up. People do also use double-sided tape, but I've heard that that stuff peels off as well. But the only thing I don't really like is the panel gap here is quite large. It's quite large, and these bits I don't really know. That looks a bit weird. I don't know why it's like that. I don't really know why, but yeah, apart from that, guys, yeah, that is it. I'm not gonna lie, that was the easiest thing to install compared to the side skirts. It was super easy. I done it by myself as well. Just 2 bolts on each side, and obviously again, if you want, you can put the sealant. But yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit that subscribe button because next week I got a crazy video coming, bro. Next week's gonna be crazy. Next week is where this car's gonna get transformed. So I'm telling you guys now, you don't want to miss that. So hit that like button and feel free to leave any comments down below, and I will see you guys on the next one.